Since the year 1985, one company that has been doing remarkable works in the field of construction equipment and building material machinery is JM Manufacturing Company. JM's versatility is reflected in its range of industrial and high-quality machines that meet all international standards, such as building material machinery for production of high-quality fly ash bricks, an eco-friendly substitute for conventional bricks. Construction equipments, mainly hoisting equipment like tower crane. Concrete batching plants for high quality control in mixing of concrete. Compacting equipment for effective compaction of all surface types. Bar bending and cutting equipments for efficient and fast handling of rebars. Concrete and asphalt cutting equipments for precision cutting. Various other construction machinery. Having its office and production units situated in Noida and Greater Noida, JM has become a leader in the field of construction machinery. Every machine manufactured under JM is conceived following an extensive research and development process, giving our clients exactly what they need. We set new benchmarks in engineering at our production facility spread over a sprawling area of 75,000 square feet in the heart of the country at New Delhi. Empowered with automated machines and the latest technologies, it enables faster and bulk production of machines The innovation, quality and reliability of our products have made us a truly global player with a loyal customer base. Over 4,000 clients in India and across the globe. At present, the company is exporting its machines to a number of countries like Our true success comes from the combined brilliance of our workforce, our people, who drive our company. Their creativity and foresight catalyzes new ideas while manufacturing our machines. By challenging limits of technology today, we develop high technological machines of the future backed with prompt after-sales support. JM believes and strictly adheres to the adage that quality is the result of intelligent effort. We therefore have stringent methods for quality control in place. At JM, we pride ourselves in being much more than an engineering firm. We don't just build machines, we build dreams. Dreams of a better tomorrow for our clients, employees, and the nation.